Well, I suppose that farming is in my blood. I'm a third generation farmer. My grandfather started in the 30s in the village with 1 acre. Today we're farming 1,200 acres, but I certainly have my grandfather and father to thank for that. We've got a countryside that needs supporting. We've got people that we're employing. Some of the people are actually the third generation also, as well as myself. So supporting a network in the local community is really important. I think the most important thing is the customer appreciates the British farmer and where their food is coming from. The British products that we do in this country are of a very high standard. We go to a lot of time and trouble to get the quality required. We're British farmers. I believe the consumer likes British produce, so it's a win-win for the consumer.